The channel called SKMG2 is one of the YouTube channels that has achieved stunning success in a very short time. This channel has grown amazingly with its entertaining content and has gained more than 308 million views and nearly 2 million subscribers in less than a few months, each with millions of views, and even one of them has more than 90 million views. But this is not the only channel that has made a splash with this method. There are dozens of other channels that operate like this. So can this method be profitable for you too? Yes, you can create a channel and earn money with this same strategy. And if you want to learn how to make videos like these, don't worry. I will guide you step by step, from ideation to video production, image design, professional, and even final editing. Subscribe to my channel for more complete tutorials, like and share the video. And to prove that this is not just an empty advertisement, I have created a short demo that is implemented with the same strategy. Watch it and judge for yourself. Now guys, just take a screenshot of the channel page and a screenshot of the video you want. This simple method will help you create different images similar to this channel with ChatGPT. Now guys, go into ChatGPT and explain it properly. For example, write, create 10 image prompts for my videos like this channel. The topics should be similar to the videos on this channel with popular characters and interesting stories. Remember to give a detailed description so ChatGPT can prepare the best prompts for you. After a few moments, everything you need is ready and you just have to use them. Okay guys, now enter Leonardo AI. Enter the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared for you into Leonardo AI one by one. In the Style section, be sure to select the 3D option to make the images more attractive and realistic. Wait for Leonardo AI to create the best possible images for you. I did all these steps and got the best result. Look how attractive and high quality these images are. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so I can create more videos like this for you. Alright guys, now that you have all your amazing AI-generated images from Leonardo AI, it's time for the next step. Head over to Runway. Once you're inside Runway, start uploading all your photos one by one. This is where the real magic happens. You have two options. Use prompts for AI enhancement. If you want more control over how the video is created, you can add prompts to each image. This will help Runway's AI generate more accurate and cinematic results based on your vision. Direct conversion. If you don't want to use prompts, no worries. Simply upload the images and convert them straight into a video. Runway will take care of everything and transform your images into smooth, animated clips. I personally went through all these steps, and let me tell you, the final video turned out amazing. Now it's time to finalize the work. After going through all the previous steps, you now need to edit the video in CapCut to get a professional and attractive result. First, open the CapCut program and create a new project. Then import all the videos you have created in the previous steps. If you want your video to be of high quality, you need to adjust the order of the clips. Since each part of the video is in different parts, you need to make sure that everything is in its right place and creates a coherent and attractive story. Professional video editing in CapCut. After adding the clips, now it's time to edit the video carefully. You can add the following to the video to make your content more impressive and professional. Add visual effects and animations. To make your video look more professional, you can use motion effects and attractive animations in the animation section. These animations make images and scenes look more attractive and dynamic. Sound effects and changes in sound. One of the most important parts of a video is the sound and background music. You can use different sound effects such as explosions, ambient noises, or even cartoon effects to make your video more attractive. Also, if you need to adjust the volume, you can optimize the volume, noises, and sound quality in the audio editing section. Adding background music and synchronizing with the image. A video that does not have attractive background music is less likely to attract the audience's attention. Therefore, choose a suitable background song and synchronize it with the images. You can adjust the volume so that its intensity changes in different parts of the video and helps with visual appeal. Use text effects and typography. Another thing that can make your video look more professional is adding attractive and animated texts. You can use beautiful text effects to display important messages to the audience. For example, you can display the channel name, key points, and important descriptions in the form of dynamic texts. Finalize the video and upload to social platforms. Now that you have edited all the parts of your video, it is time to get the final output. In the export section, make sure that you have set the video quality to 1080p or 4K to display the video in high quality. Then save the video file and get ready to publish it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform of your choice. How to make money from this method? One of the best ways to monetize content is to use artificial intelligence, AI, to produce attractive videos. Using the methods you learned in this video, you can create high-quality, engaging videos without the need for professional equipment and publish them on various platforms. If these videos get a lot of views, you can earn money through advertising, collaborations with brands, or even selling digital products. If this tutorial was useful to you, don't forget to like the video to support me, and I can prepare more interesting content for you. Write your opinions in the comments section so I know what topics are most interesting to you and what videos I should make in the future. Until the next video, good luck.